All right, welcome back. So this funnel is what's known as the tripwire funnel. You'll notice this one looks exactly like the lead magnet funnel, and this one is going to look a little different. So what a tripwire is, just first and foremost, a tripwire is a lower ticket item, meaning it's not very expensive. If anything, it doesn't really cost that much. So that you can turn somebody from not knowing you to buying from you. So whenever I said a self-liquidating offer, what that means is the chances of you actually making money on this, if you're paying for the traffic, if you're paying for people to come to this page through ads or through influencer marketing or anything like that, if that is what you're doing, then the chances of you making money from this is very, very low. That's why it's called self-liquidating. It just means you're not going to make money. And if you do, it's going to be a little bit, or you may break even, or you may lose money on the front end products. But the only point of this tripwire is just to get them to give you money. And if you watch the lead magnet funnel, then you know the reason why we want them to do that is because it's easier to sell to somebody who has already bought from you. And the easiest way to get someone to buy something from you is by giving them something away for free. And the other easy way to get someone to buy something from you is by offering a tripwire, which means you're offering them something that is under $50 and in some cases under $100. The reason in some cases it is that is because Russell Brunson's his software is $97 a month, but he sells ebooks for free plus shipping. So keep that in mind. And if you go through any of those funnels, then you will know that there's an upsell on the back end of that. So this is essentially what the tripwire funnel looks like. You give something away for free. So it basically is the lead magnet funnel, but I wanted to put this here as well, just so you could see that the tripwire is in play into this funnel example. So you give something away for free, you present them with the tripwire offer, and then you have your upsells on the back end to try and make some more money, to try and increase the average cart value. And then right here, you see an example of it starting with the tripwire, and then it going into the upsells in order to increase the average cart value as well. So these are two examples of what the funnel would look like. And in the next video, I'm going to explain to you what a good tripwire offer looks like.